What's up guys, Sumatek here. Sometimes you might mistakenly delete your YouTube videos and you might think like, oh god, what did I just do? And YouTube has a policy that once you delete your YouTube videos from YouTube, then you'll not be able to recover it back. But today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your videos that have been deleted by you mistakenly and then restore them back to the YouTube. Okay, let's just get started. Okay guys, you can see I'm on my PC screen right now. Whenever you accidentally delete your videos from YouTube, you just go to the URL box at the top and then type in here studio.youtube.com and then press enter and just go to this top right side right here. And if you are in the YouTube partnership program, you'll just see this chat box right here, chat with creator support. But if you are not in the YouTube partnership program, you'll not get this chat box right here. And if you don't get this chat box, I'll show you another method how you can recover your deleted videos from YouTube. So I'm just gonna click this here. Now you are connected with this agent here and you can write here, I have accidentally deleted my videos from YouTube and please help me recover it. So then this agent will assist you how to recover your deleted videos from YouTube. Let me show you a chat screenshot between me and one YouTube agent few days ago. Okay, here it is here. Let me zoom into it. And I have said the YouTube agent that I had mistakenly deleted my videos and help me recover it back. So you can see here, he has asked me for the video IDs of those deleted videos and I didn't have the video IDs because they were deleted, and I checked everywhere if I could find the links of those videos, but I was unable to find. And then I said him that I can give the name of those videos and I provided him with the names of few videos right here, but still he was not able to recover because I had so many videos with similar title. And what I did was, you can see, can you recover those videos that I deleted almost 11 hours ago? So he asked me whether those videos are deleted less than 24 hours ago. So I answered yes, and then he was able to recover. But before he restored my videos on YouTube, he just made me copy and paste this declaration with name and date, you can see here. So I just did what he said and he successfully restored my videos. You can see here, I have successfully restored the said videos. So it's actually possible to recover your deleted videos from YouTube. And okay, this was the first method. If you are in YouTube partnership program, it's very easy. Go to the chat support and then just chat with the live agent just like that. But if you are not in the YouTube partnership program, you can see I don't have any chat box on this channel right here. This is not my channel. So what you can do is just go to Gmail and then go to compose and then write in mail to support@youtube.com. I'll give it 2 emails. If this doesn't work, you can send emails to both these emails and see. One is support@youtube.com and the next one is creator support@youtube.com. So you can send mails to both these emails and you can write the email that you want to restore your videos. And if you have the video ID link, just provide the video ID link of the video that you want to recover. So with this second method that I have shown you, it gets a little bit difficult to restore your videos, but if your video has over 10,000 views, then it's almost possible that you will recover your videos. Okay, if you don't have the video link, you can just give them the time that you had deleted those videos, or you can also provide the titles or names, and then they will cross match the name of video with their data and then will send you one confirmation, and then you just have to copy the declaration that I showed you earlier, and then you will be able to restore your videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching guys. That's the way how we can recover or restore the deleted videos from YouTube. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up, and if you have found this video very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with new videos like this very soon. So until next time, peace, bye.